I come home and the refrigerator is making this sound. This is a GE refrigerator.